Hello. Okay, so a tip to is use a QR code if you are creating like promo, or if you want someone to sign up for your challenge or join your Facebook group, stuff like that. You can use QR codes. And Canva has all kinds of apps for QR codes. All you have to do is Okay, first I'm going to show you the one that I made real quickly. I just grabbed a Santa, he's pointing, and I created a QR code for my Facebook group. So when you put your phone up to this and you're like in the camera mode and you go like that, it will take you right to my Facebook group. So this is something that would be really awesome on Instagram to show, and then they can just click on it and then join my Facebook group, right? Right. Okay, so so here, I'm going to show you. I took a picture of when I put my phone up to the QR code and Facebook, you can see what it does. And then all it does, it will take you right to the link. So use this in promos, use it on your Facebook group photo. There's so many ways to use a QR code. It's easy for us just to get to it. It's kind of like your business card too. If someone wants to know about your business, have a QR code in your phone saved and they can just take it. I did a presentation a couple months ago and I didn't know what people had. Like, I didn't know how I was going to be able to set up. So I created a QR code for my presentation, had them copy it, and they just went right to the presentation. It was awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and create one for this, okay? So, super easy. I'm not going to design any of that. I was just going to show you. So what if I want them to go to my shop instead of Pam Allen, or instead of the Facebook group, right? So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go to apps, and on the desktop, and it is on the left-hand side under projects for me. And I'm just going to put in QR. That's it. And look at how many apps. So I just use this one right here, but you can definitely do any of them. This one says super easy. I'm going to click on it. You put your URL right there. You can even customize it. You can do a background color, and like the Santa one, I did green. You can do the foreground, and you can do the margins. So all right, so I'm just going to do that. And let's make the background pink. Why? Because I want it to be cute. All right. And there you go. So I could either, put it right here, or I could put it right here. You could do whatever, but make sure you let them know. Like this, I would probably say, hey, use the QR code. Not everyone knows how to use the QR code. It's just all you have to do is open your camera, put it towards the QR code, and then a little yellow box, and you just go to it. But I would put like an arrow and just say, hold this up to your phone, whatever you see that QR codes. I don't know what would say, but I would say for me, want to get this product, use the QR code and then have a arrow. Okay, so there's a tip. Use QR codes.